strike is ready. Emergency airdrop awaiting orders.
This one for good ADS time and also being silenced. Use this one. I mainly like this one. You can use any one, it doesn't really matter. Make sure you don't choose one that says 8 ADS time below. Use this one for good accuracy and great movement. Use the Merc foregrip for good movement as well. Use this one for, of course, better damage, as well as better damage, body part damage multiplier, bullet speed, and bullet impact. Now look at those stats, they're so good. To make the machine pistol with very nice recoil. First, use this one for better fire into rifle and recoil and way more ammo. Use this one for extra spread and movement speed. Use a Kimbo so you can shoot them as twice as possible, making them way better. Use this one for added damage and good recoil. Use this one for way good fire into rifle, and it is almost the same thing as an MG42. See, look, it is almost the same fire rate, if not more fire rate than the MG42. And plus, it has even more fire rate than the Fennec.